Hi all, welcome back. My name is Vivek and today we are going to talk about flame sensor. Previously we spoke about couple of sensors like joystick and IR and other sensor. So what is a flame sensor? A flame sensor is this is a flame sensor which I'm gonna talk about it today. It has got 4 pins if you can see, but before I go into details technical of what flame sensor is, just to give you a overview, flame sensor, as you can make out, whenever there is a fire, okay, it detects that fire, right? And basically what it sends an alert, okay, and based on that alert value you can either play the buzzer, okay, or you can do some other kind of activities. So right now we are not going to do anything. We are just going to take the output from this analog pin based on the flame, and we will just display it on the serial monitor, right? So this is a small project. You have a ground pin, we have a voltage pin, and then we have a digital output and analog output. Today I'm going to work with analog output, and digital output would be an exercise for you to work on, right? So let me quickly jump on to my code, right? And this is my code. Before I go and show you the code, I will also like to show you a connectivity diagram, okay, with my real sensor. So here is my sensor, right? And now you can make out I have 3 pins. One is analog, which I have shown you, right? The another one is a 5 volt, and then I have a ground pin, right? And that is how I'm going to connect it. I have connected the blue wire, if you can see over here, okay. The blue one is analog output, right? And this analog output is gone into my Arduino board, which you can see here, right? So this is my Arduino Uno board, which you can see. The blue one has gone to analog output, right? And the other one has gone to the power supply and the ground. Okay, simple 3 pins which we have used. Quickly going through the code, I have what I have done over here is, in the loop I am trying to read the sensor reading, okay, or the value of the sensor which is on analog pin A0, right? And then based on this output, right, so as per my room temperature, the sensor reading is the default sensor reading is 40, okay, which is a no alarm condition. But if it is less than 40, then we see is the alarm condition, or a fire has occurred. So now if I just show you serial monitor, let me just open up my serial monitor. Now if you see this, there is a certain value which is coming for no fire, okay, and based on this room temperature, whatever you see here, no fire. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lit a match, okay. So I have a matchbox, right? If you can see the matchbox, I'm going to do here is I'm going to ignite the matchstick, okay, if you can see, okay. Let me just be closer. Okay, now I ignited my matchstick, right? Now I'm going to do over here is I'm going to bring my sensor near to this, right? The moment I bring it, right, if you see this, the value has changed from 40, now it is 31, okay. I bring it very nearer, it keeps on decreasing, right? If you can see, I'll close it off. Now if you see this, there is no fire again. So now we have a couple of data points where we have the fire, and couple of data points where we don't have the fire. So this all sums up my flame detector sensor. We will work with multiple sensor at one time, but we'll take it as part of the next video. Thanks for joining this session, and be tuned. Join my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channels to learn more about the sensor. Thank you.